All right, welcome back to another episode of the Black Bullion Show. The solar industry continues to rely on silver as other industries, such as auto, are gaining on them. Now, however, there are key countries in which we will see an increased demand for silver in the future because of photovoltaic production. Now, who are they? Find out shortly. But first, if you're new to this channel, please hit that big red subscribe button right down below. Also, please hit the like button, helps to get this economic evangelism right on out there to the masses to bring more people into precious metals. Okay, so China will lead the way, followed by Europe, then North America, then other developed Asian countries, and then India. Now, Peter Schiff writes more about this in his new article entitled Solar Energy Demand Bullish for Silver and Other Silver News. Now, according to the article, by 2025, sun powered energy generation is expected to double. Now, here's more on that from Schiff. And I quote: Silver has the lowest electrical resistance of any metal at normal temperatures. According to the report, potential substitute metals cannot match silver in terms of energy output per solar panel. Further, due to technical hurdles, non silver PVs, photovoltaics, tend to be less reliable and have shorter lifespans, presenting serious issues for their widespread commercial development. Now, I'm just going to pause right here. Remember, I did say that eventually there's going to be some tech that will be implantable. I could not imagine implantable technology with unreliable tech within them. So I'm sure even when it comes to that kind of tech, they're going to want to use things such as silver as opposed to things such as copper or aluminum before they implant them into someone's body. Now, will I get an implantable? No way. All right, let's continue. A recent report from the World Bank forecasts that by 2050, consumption of silver and energy technologies could grow dramatically, reaching a level equivalent to more than 50% of current total silver demand, the largest proportion for any non battery metal. The latest edition of Silver News also highlights some other fascinating technological developments utilizing the white metal. Silver is helping move superconductor research forward. Superconductors are materials that have zero or close to zero electrical resistance at extremely low temperatures. Scientists at Tokyo Metropolitan University say they have created a new superconductor material using silver that works at a high temperature. So that's really cool. Here's another one. Engineering researchers at North Carolina State University have found a way to create breathable, wearable electronics using silver nanowires. Now, we talked about this before when I did a video about the Silver Institute putting out their silver news and talking about the silver nanowires. So that's another great addition to demand. Here's another one. Small amounts of electricity have been shown to kill many germs. So one company is building tiny silver zinc batteries into face masks to keep the wearer safe from infection. Now that sounds pretty interesting. Um, might have to buy the lady some of these face masks to help with that silver demand. Luxury financial and lifestyle management group Insignia has developed a silver coated credit card that kills germs. Now, that sounds really cool. Their study showed that the best germ killing power on their clean card occurred when a silver coating was applied to cards made of layers of titanium or zinc. So silver on cards for clean cards. That sounds really interesting. Now, obviously, I'm sure that maybe things like that will get a bid after the Ronies occur. People are going to be looking at dollars and things like that. Like they don't want to touch them. I'm sure when people hand their card over to get swiped, people aren't going to want to touch them. Maybe some people are like, hey, I got the clean card. You don't have to worry. No germs here. Now, of course, I'm sure that's not how, um, health works or anything like that. But it's all psychological. It's more of a psychological game there. So I'm sure there will be some people who will buy it for those reasons. Here's the last one. Silver and gold nanoparticles can be used to produce environmentally safe ceramic glazes. A wide range of colors could become available at a low cost. Now, I really like that because even though I'm not a very big um crafts person, I have made ceramic items before, and I would like to actually get more into ceramics again. So that would actually be kind of cool knowing that, hey, if I'm consuming something and, you know, something accidentally chips off from that ceramic, I know that, hey, at least there's some, I don't know, some items here that, are germ killing. And if they chip off and land somewhere, hey, it's environmentally safe. So that's cool as well. So we have some cool things here in the silver space that I think will be great on pretty much all sides of the political spectrum, and even just all sides of when it comes to health and when it comes to tech. So what I find interesting about all of this is that silver usage is expected to double by 2025. And during that ramp up to 2025, we will be wrapping up. At least it's projected that we will wrap up gold and silver's bull market by 2025 or 2026. And what usually happens at the end of that market is a rapid inflow from retail investors. Now, imagine all of that happening while industrial demand is also increasing. That could mean some serious business for us silver stackers, and the timing looks, it couldn't be any better. The timing looks fantastic. So we're going to get a lot of industrial demand while we're going to be hitting the end of a bull market. So those two together are going to create some magic, some fireworks. But that's just what I think. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Do you expect silver demand to pick up by 2025 as the Silver Institute sees? And do you think that would also be a boon, an additional boon to the price of silver as more and more retail investors get into the market? Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe. It's Black Bullion.